It's so close, dude. 4% takes an hour. Wow. Would you look at that?
Here's your phone. So it doesn't go.
Finally up. So go check that one out. What's going on, guys? Today is going to be kind of an awesome day. Our first modification for the Ratchet Bunny with an I and a 3 instead of a Y. It's a 3-cylinder. First mod for the Ratchet Bunny is in order today, so let's do this.
Falling and we need a place to hide.
Should be there and picking up the merchandise here pretty soon. I have no idea if this shit is going to work. So we just picked up the merch. I'm so excited, man. That's like one of the coolest buys I've ever bought. It was just so cheap for what it was, for what it is. It was so incredibly cheap. All right, guys. This is how she looks right now. Painted the front wheel because I thought it looked ugly, but regardless of what color it is. Let's get this party started. So, I guess I'll show you guys what this is all about. Alright, my battery is dying. Got these for a absolute steal, so we're gonna throw them up there, dude. We're gonna see what they look like. Oh shit. They're actually a little bit, oh dude. Dude. This is gonna be so good. Here are the wheels, get a better look at them. They are 16 by 8s, or 15 by 8s, I'm sorry. Gonna change out for those ugly fudging things. So we're gonna put these babies on, see how they fit, and if they fit, which I just realized that's not terribly like far from being flush. Those are 40, 45 or 46 offset. These are 0. These are gonna stick out like that far. Y'all ready for this? Boom. It's actually not that bad. Put a little flare on it. Dude, that's hilarious. That doesn't look too bad though. As far as like being the wheel goes, that looks pretty good. We just gotta put the other one on and then check turning, see if it rubs like a bitch. That looks way better than that though. Just needs a little bit lowered. That's so funny.
Safe place somewhere in the woods, we can start a fire. All we know is what will be.
Okay guys, holy shit, it's hot. We're going to try and drive it. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I'll probably put the camera just right outside there, just so that I can kind of, because I can hear it from the inside, but I kind of want to see how they look too. That's so funny, dude. Well, they don't rub at all. Look at that shit. It's got some personality to it now, I guess. Oh my gosh, dude, I love it. That cracks me the fudge up. These things right here were $35. Suck my dick. $35 later, we have a way to remove the rear wheels so that we can put the new ones on. Let's see if we can't get these rear wheels off. A little bit of poke. A lot of bit of poke, actually. 1.5 to 2 inches of poke.
Know is what will be our home. We will stay until the break of dawn. Cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows.
That fitment though, dude. Oh my god. So the only issues I can think of is right here. This suspension, I mean, it's not even that close, but the suspension will touch that. So what we're gonna end up having to do is kind of come here and trim like up to here, and then that should be good. We just have to get rid of like this little center section, probably get rid of that clip, but all that clip does is just hold in one of the little things. So as long as we got like 1 or 2, we'll be good. But dude, that literally could not be any more perfect. That's hilarious. I mean, the front wheel obviously is a little bit wide, but that's what fender flares are for, dude. Literally, these things right here, these things weigh like 5 more pounds than these each. 14 by 6.5, 15 by 8.
Can't you see we need some time? And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now.